What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play It's All Bad by Clever. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. It's using 2 different chords that you're picking through, and I'll go ahead and say I'm not sure if this is 100% accurate, but I know that this picking is very, very close to what's going on in the song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, I have left it down in the video description for you, so once you get done, if you need it, jump into the video description, it's there. First chord you need to know is going to be E minor. It's 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. And then you're going to go to this version of essentially a B minor, but all you're doing is putting your index finger on the 1st fret, or on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string. So it should have some dissonance there. Now starting with your picking on your E minor, you're going to pick low E, D, B, G, and then E, G, E, D. And I'm using my thumb to pick the low E, I'm using my index finger to pick D, I'm using my middle finger to pick G, and my ring finger to pick B. So again, E, D, B, G, E, G, E, D. And that plays through twice. Then go to that B minor and pick A, D, G, D, A, B, G, D. And that picks twice as well. So again, A, D, G, D, A, B, G, D. And I'm using my thumb to pick the A. Again, my index finger is picking D, my middle finger is picking G, and my ring finger is picking B. Now I'm going to pick through this entire thing very slowly so you can see what it looks like slowed down. Again, if you need the guitar tab, jump into the video description, it's there. So starting with your E minor. but guys, that's all there is to it. Keep practicing, you will have this song down in no time. Now the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner, and the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.